Good morning, pupils. Доброе утро. Today at the lesson we will read the texts about strange places. Сегодня на уроке мы прочитаем с вами два текста о удивительных, но странных местах на нашей планете. Let's begin from the new vocabulary. Начнем с новых слов по данному уроку. Look at the vocabulary, listen and write down in your dictionaries. Записываем новые слова в словарь и запоминаем их.
Carve,
Гравировать,
chat,
болтать,
cone,
рожок или конус,
cozy,
уютный,
courtyard,
двор,
disease,
болезнь,
fairy,
фея,
chimney,
дымоход,
fairy tale,
сказка,
mosquito,
комар,
nature,
природа,
nightfall,
сумерки,
notch,
метка, засечка,
thatched roof,
соломенная крыша,
treetop,
верхушка дерева,
upside down.
вверх-вниз. Now let's look at the tree house of the Karawai people in Indonesia and the fairy chimneys of Görem in Turkey. Let's watch a video about these places and learn some information. Посмотрим видео об этих необычных местах и узнаем новую информацию.
What a strange place to live. What does your dream house look like? Is it a beautiful house with a big garden up front? Is it a spacious apartment with a great view of the city? Or maybe an old lighthouse you have turned into a home? People around the world live in different dwellings, and some people call the strangest places home. The Korowai people in Indonesia live high up in the treetops. That's right, most of the Korowai people of Papua, Indonesia live in tree houses. They usually build their tree houses 8 to 12 meters off the ground, but some houses are built as high up as 50 meters. The Korowai people are great architects of tree houses. They make their houses from wood and they have thatched roofs. Inside, a house is divided into 2 or 3 rooms with a fireplace in each room. Every morning, the people of the tree houses have to climb down a very long piece of wood to go to their work, and climb back up again when they want to go back home. It seems like a lot of exercise, doesn't it? They usually build the houses in groups of 5 to 6 in neighboring trees. And when night falls, the people tell jokes and chat to their neighbors. But why do these Indonesians choose to build their homes so far up from the ground? Well, the answer lies in the weather. The Papua jungle where they live has a lot of rainfall, so to protect themselves from the floods, they build tree houses. They also feel safe from the wild animals that live in the jungle around them. Before 1978, these peaceful jungle people had no real contact with the rest of the world. But today, tourists visit them and many documentaries are made about their amazing houses and unique way of life. Now, if you think living in a treehouse is strange, then how would you feel about living in a rock, just like prehistoric people did? Believe it or not, that's exactly where some of the people of Göreme in Cappadocia, Turkey live. Over millions of years, volcanic eruption, wind and flooding water created rocks in the area that look like upside-down ice cream cones. And centuries ago, the local people carved caves in these soft rocks to make homes. Today, people visit the area to admire one of the strangest landscapes in the world. Some say that it is like the surface of the moon. The locals enjoy living in the fairy chimneys, as they call them, because they are cool in the hot summers and warm in the cold winters. The caves are very cozy. They have small rooms with fireplaces and courtyards where people can relax and chat together. This place is like something out of a fairy tale. People have turned many of these rock formations into beautiful small hotels for tourists visiting the area. In the ground under these strange homes, there are hidden cities and pathways too. The tree houses of the Korowai people and the fairy chimneys of Goreme are not your usual everyday homes. Do you know of any other strange homes around the world?
А сейчас открой маршрутный лист и выполни задание на формативное оценивание. Задание старайся выполнять самостоятельно и использовать все материалы данного урока. Good luck! Желаю удачи! The lesson is over. Goodbye!